Hi, I'm Andy here from SYS. Today we're going to talk you through some of the key features of the new ToughONE material. ToughONE is the new material that's been released by Stratasys across our PolyJet platforms. This includes the J55 Prime, MediJet and DAP, the J35 Pro, and then all of the J8 range. This includes the J826, the J835 and the J850. So one of the key benefits of the new ToughONE material is that we can print with heightened material properties on the PolyJet systems. So printed pure on its own, it's like a high density polyurethane-like material, but we can also post-cure this to go like more PP-like materials, or we can use a reinforcer, which is the RGD 531 material. When we blend with this, then we can simulate properties of materials such as polycarbonate, PCABS or nylon 12. Some of the main key features from the material properties that we're now able to achieve is dimensional stability, flexibility, toughness, higher heat deflection temperature and also higher elongation at break. Thanks to the heightened properties of the ToughONE material, we're now able to achieve greater applications than previous and even open doors for new ones. The strength, flexibility, heat deflection temperature of the material allows us to now go from prototyping to real-world functional prototyping, whether that be within the automotive industry, electronics or tooling or lifelike products. We then actually have end-use products, so if it's on shop floor, we see people now using the ToughONE material for end-use jigs, fixtures, custom tooling, or even end-life product for testing. Currently the ToughONE is only available in the white material. However, this doesn't limit us to printing white only. What we can do is we can then have a core of the ToughONE material, then we can surround this with either over-moulded rubbers, CMF colours, any full textures, and in the future, Pantone. So when working with the ToughONE material, there's a couple of things to consider. So on the machines for cleaning the print heads, we're now using propylene carbonate instead of the IPA. All other components within the printer still use IPA and water onto the print beds, but for the print heads only, that propylene carbonate. The other thing to consider is when we're on the J3s and 5s, we're looking to use the Support 710 material, and when we're on our J8 machines, it's the Support 705B material looking to use. This is because we want to refrain from putting the ToughONE material for long periods of times in the support tanks. This will then prevent anything such as warps or creeps within the material when printing thin sections. Great news is the ToughONE is now available to order as of March 2026. If you'd like to learn more about the ToughONE and how it can be integrated into your current applications or discuss new applications with us, please get in touch with the team at SYS.